Hi again. So here we will start today. We will start next notebook. This notebook will concern conditional statements. So this is something new, but very useful because conditional statements, as name suggests, allows you to define a program which behaves differently depending on different conditions. So basically, some conditions are checked, and if something happens, program behaves in such a way. If something happens, program behaves in a different way. So an example of this is a payment system which can either accept a payment if the payment value is smaller than the funds available in a customer's account, or decline a payment if the client does not have enough money. And this is what we will learn in the next few videos. Of course, as always, we will start with simple examples, then we will understand some necessary important information behind the scenes, like what allows us to actually have this functionality. This will be new type of data, booleans. Then we will learn how to write more and more complex conditional statements. Well, this is obviously important because in the end you want to create complicated programs, not the ones which perform simple tasks, exactly the same as it was with functions. And then in the end, we will see how we can use conditional statements inside functions, because this is what you usually do as a programmer. Usually you create things which are functions and then use them inside different programs or some other things. And this will be also important for your exercises, because in your exercises you will be asked to write a function which uses conditional statements, not just conditional statements. So you should understand previous topics, at least at basic level, to understand what is going on in this notebook and in these videos. So yeah, let's start with conditional statements. Let's go to the next video where we will dive into more details about conditional statements, and see you there.